my face cold. Let it snow. Rolly ghost. Let it snow. Say she cold. Come on.
Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela. Do I know my name or do I not know my name? Hey y'all, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing one of my current favorite products, which is crazy to say because you guys know I have had a love-hate relationship with this brand. It's something by AMIKA. Don't forget, it is Michaela month, so I am posting one video every weekday. If you guys love hair content, if you love creative stuff, books, fashion, stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe so you guys can see the content that I'm posting this month. I'm not going to be doing just random vlogs. Every video will be intentional and have a purpose. So go ahead and subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are turned on. If you have any recommendations for videos, leave that in the comments down below. Let's hop right into it. Like I said, love-hate relationship with AMIKA. Some of their products have a really good purpose and then they execute that purpose well, but I don't appreciate their price points. If I had an AMIKA representative come and explain to me, you know, there's a reason for this price point, the products in it is this and it, I would understand, because I'm someone who makes and sell items too. I sew, I crochet. I understand that there's a reason for every price, but even for the stylist to be paying what we're paying for some of the prices is just a little crazy. So I do need a little explanation, but since I am blessed enough to have the funds, I'm gonna pay for it because I like for my clients to have the best, and I want to make sure that I can give them the best results. And if that means I have to pay a little bit of extra for the AMIKA product that I can't find in anything else, that's what I'm gonna do. So this product is AMIKA the Wizard. This is the 4 fluid ounce bottle. There's a bottle that's smaller than this, which I really love because you guys can go out into your, I think Sephora or Ulta, one of those carries AMIKA, and you can try it out in a little travel size before you pay the big bucks for the 4 fluid ounce size. But I paid like $16 for this size. There is a way bigger size that is like $64. It's like a refillable bottle, but I'm not ready for that one yet. So this product right here, of course I'm gonna have a screen record. This product right here is the Detangling Wizard Primer. It's an all-in-one hair priming mist that detangles and protects hair from thermal damage. So that means this product is also a heat protectant. If you guys watched my Michaela month video where I was discussing my favorite silk press products, you guys know that I love to layer my heat protectants. Every styling product that I place in my client's hair has some type of heat protecting benefit in it, period. I love to protect my client's hair from any and all heat. So on the website they say this product is a multitasking all-in-one hair detangling spray that preps and primes your hair for any style. Who's it for? From straight to curly to coily, all hair is welcome. Why is it special? The perfect pregame before the main event. That's all-in-one lightweight hair priming spray, has a multitude of benefits, leaves hair shiny, silky smooth, and ready for a good time. All true. It protects the hair against heat up to 450. It provides ultra hydration, detangles smooth, stands for a lustrous mane, cuts down on blow drying time so you can get on with your day, okay? This product has avocado oil, sea buckthorn. I love avocado oil, by the way. Another one of my favorite products has avocado oil, and I find that it is really moisturizing and it helps with shine, okay? They have a version of this product that has silicone and one that doesn't have silicone. I love this product. I'm gonna have some videos playing within this video to show you guys how it looks with just this product. Sometimes when it comes to my male clients, this is the only leave-in I'm using because it does so much. It protects the hair, it provides shine, it detangles the hair. It does so much. I love it. This would be my end-all be-all if it wasn't be so expensive. So this size right here for you guys, if you get it from their website or if you get it from Ulta, is $27. You guys know I don't like a expensive price for no reason. It's really expensive. It really is. If you can afford it and you have natural hair that is hard to detangle, I would say give it a try and get the smaller size because it is a great detangler. You guys know the men, they come in and they haven't combed out their hair, they let it be all compressed, and sometimes they even sponge it. This product helps me to detangle their hair without hurting them. I'm like, okay, you ain't combed it in months, so I'm doing my best here. So I'll be trying to be as gentle as possible when it comes to other products. My other products like my Mazani milk, it'll moisturize the hair, but it's not giving me that detangling that I need. This product gives that. I have used this product on a lady who did not comb her hair in literally a year or more, and it helped me to detangle it. The silicones and the avocado oil in this product helped me to detangle her hair, and that's what I love about it. First and foremost, I've been looking for a good detangler for years, and in this product I finally found it, so that is already a +1. The +2 is the smell. This product smells amazing. I use this in every hair type, men and women, and everyone compliments the smell of this product. All AMIKA products smell phenomenal, but this one is just on a whole nother level, truly. Detangling, smells amazing. The third reason why I love this product is the shine that it gives. Like I said, something about the silicone in it and the avocado oil is amazing for shine. Don't sleep on it. So I'll apply this in hair for a silk press, and it'll give me the shine I need before I even apply a serum. I put this in while wet, and the blow dry is even shiny. Like, do you understand? Sometimes it's so hard to get people's hair to be shiny at the blow dry stage, but this product does it, and a little goes a long way. All you gotta do is I do love that it's a spray and not a serum. Like, I just love it so much. I do. I feel like one day I will go ahead, bite the bullet, and get the largest one for $64, but just that day is not today. I will keep buying the $16 bottle, and it does last me a good little minute. It really does. But I just love it so much. I use it on every client. That's why it kind of be going a little bit fast for me. I love this product. I've even seen one girl on Instagram, like, she put it on her braids, like the curly hair in her braids to detangle it. Like, okay, I had never heard about that, but I use it on natural hair. I use it on straight hair, bone straight hair, and it helped me to detangle that, and it gives that hair shine also. So this is definitely a new product that I stand behind. I do recommend it for you guys, whether you are natural or relaxed. I say give it a try, because it's probably going to offer you something, whether you need it for a heat protectant, whether you need it for added shine to your hair, or you need it to detangle. It's going to do one of those things for you. So honestly, I'd give it a 5 out of 5 stars. I really do love it, and it's really hard for a styling product to wow me, and that product, it definitely wowed me. I was so shook while using it. I was not expecting to love it that much, but I loved it. So any videos that I didn't place in this video, I'm going to put at the end, so make sure you're staying till the end to see what all I have in this video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm at Everything by Maja. Make sure you follow me on Pinterest also, and once again, it is Michaela month, so make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you guys will see all my content that I will have coming to you guys until my birthday, December 26th. So I think that is it. I'm going to be seeing you guys in tomorrow's video. Holla at me in the comments.